Turkey-France Defense Agreement. Baykar collaborates with Safran, two leading companies from France and Turkey. So they proceeded to sign a strategic cooperation agreement in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles and smart systems. These are the Turkish company Baykar and the French defense company Safran Electronics and Defense. What is striking is the fact that the French company is a key manufacturer of some of the most advanced systems of the Dassault Rafale fighter jet. The agreement covers activities related to the development of smart munitions, advanced navigation systems, and electro-optical technologies. Safran will provide surveillance, navigation, observation, and time synchronization technologies, while Baykar will contribute its expertise in the development and operational use of unmanned aerial vehicles. As part of the collaboration, Safran's advanced electro-optical system, Euroflare, will be integrated into the Bayraktar TB2 platform. This integration aims to diversify the Turkish UAV's reconnaissance, surveillance, and target detection capabilities. At the same time, the agreement includes plans for the joint development of integrated solutions that combine electro-optical sensors, navigation systems, and guided munitions. These solutions are intended for use both on UAV platforms and in air-to-ground missions. The two companies also agreed to jointly promote the new systems in the international market, aiming to further deepen their commercial cooperation. The CEO of Baykar, Haluk Bayraktar, described the memorandum of agreement as an important milestone, emphasizing that the goal is to offer innovative solutions to the international market. For his part, the French director emphasized that the integration of systems into the Turkish drone represents a new stage in operational performance. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new one. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion. Thank you.